Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel and anyone who are on this channel right now. So those who are joined on this live session, can you please let me know my voice and video clear? Can you able to access my video and audio clearly? Please ping me here in the chat box. So very good morning. And, this is what a new contract which is started for the October series. So we can plan for a new monthly positional strategy. And those are my students. So if you know the advanced option strategy, this is the day where we are going to plan for. So positional trades, and you need to wait for a new positional opportunity, which we can easily find out by using our Google Sheet. So don't want to take multiple trades at the same time. So take one or two trades, not more than that. So once you are ending with the profit on these two trades, then you can plan for a newer opportunity. Because in our based on our advanced option strategy, we have a lot of plans like we have holding like that. What we say, uh, like. We have good opportunities daily basis like weekly, monthly, and now we have recently introduced the trade which is we can plan for opportunity in daily time frame also. Okay, so that you need to plan for it, and one by one you can do, and don't take a multiple trades. Okay, so one trade, one or two trades in a regular time frame. So after making a profit, you can go for a next one. So that is what the new opportunity which we are going to plan for it. Thank you so much. And anyone who are on this live session right now, so please let me know my voice and video clear. Anand Kumar sir, very good morning. Thanks for joining here. So we have updated sheet like for this month of October. Okay. So very good morning, Arul. Thank you for joining here. And I share motor. So this is what my weekly positional and monthly positional. Today's scenario, weekly positional and monthly positional both should be same because the week is started and month also be started. So both weekly and monthly positional strategies, that is a monthly positional sheet, would be same. But the first week and the second week, the weekly would be changed and the monthly would be remain same till the month end. So if you are planning the trade, whether by using a weekly sheet or a monthly sheet, before plan that. Okay. So whether you are going to hold for a short term or you are going to hold for a long term like monthly. So you need to plan that. Once you get a your clear idea, then you can execute. And intraday is the one more sheet. It works based on the technical indicators. So maybe we soon we can give us some classes for that also. We will plan. Okay, so please let me know my voice and video clear. Can you able to access my video and audio clearly? Anyone who are on the live session, please ping me. Now the market is started. Nifty started with 78 point down in the day one of this October contract. Bank Nifty is started with 150 points down. So initial opening street, by the opening itself, the market showing the negative move. So let me wait for this and what is going to be happened. So we'll check with our Google Sheet whether a put side or a call side, because market is started after the 3 days later, and we are looking for this in ONGC, Eicher Motor, in Maruti. These are all in put side. HDFC Bank, JSW, Reliance. It started with maybe gap down, and MGL and M&M was opening with the positive on intraday. We need to check whether a weekly or a monthly positional. As of now, VEDL, MGL, M&M would be there in the top, and monthly positional also be the same. Okay, so in the first week only. Second week onwards, weekly positional will be unchanged. So once you completed first one position, then you can go for a new one. So don't try to attend all the trades. So VEDL something is opening positive, and MGL, TVS Motor on the positive side. In negative side, Eicher Motor and ONGC something like which is happening here. So Nifty started down. What is happening on ONGC? It was a previously closed positive. Now it is showing you some negative by the open. I think 189.3. So maybe instead of taking trades before 9:30, Sorry, yeah, before 9:30 we should wait. After 9:30 we can get a lot of opportunities in intraday also. Okay, so that we can focus. Look at this MGL today, it looks positive around at 1030. But you need to, before take any trades, check with the volume and liquidity, all other parameters that you need to check first. And for example, whether the stock is MGL 1030, look for the volume. Volume is 8,000. That means 10 lot which is traded. And look at the buyer sellers gap. Buyer is asking you 54, seller 58. There is a huge gap. And look for a Marico 560. The overall market is around 100 points down. It puts a lot of stocks like Eicher Motor, ONGC, Bharati Airtel, HDFC Bank, and Kodak Bank, Bandhan Bank. So Bank Nifty 250 points down. Some of the bank stock which is trading in the top. This one is nearing to that 31,000 volume. So let me go for a ONGC put option of 192. It's around 7 rupees. And the lot size is 3,850. You can see it is not a positive one because it is started with open high today 9.15 and it is moving lower. So iShare Motor, what's happening in iShare Motor? iShare Motor, the put strike price is 3450. Currently 149, 134 to 49, 175 lot size, 2004. The large quantity is very less. And 3440, I think it is having a strike price 3400. Some have some volumes, but the spot price which is trading 3360. Maybe this is worth 40 rupees and currently trading around 105. And our strike prices currently 3450. That was trading around 134 to 49. And YNGC 192 and then HDFC Bank 31. So some of the stocks like MGL, Marico, IGL, Federal Bank in the call sites. Some of the stock was showing you 100%. That was not an active one. Okay, SEAL in the downside, Bandhan Bank 252. Let me check whether the volume. This is an intraday, so we don't want to go for an opportunity immediately. Bandhan Bank, the put strike price on Bandhan Bank is 252.5. It is trading 12 and 12.45. The 2,500 is the large size. Currently, it is not active. So, Bharati Airtel, Bandhan Bank, and Maruti. You can see Maruti. Last month it's highly volatile. So 10600 and 263, 266, and last traded price is 266.5. Maruti initially it breaks above our level. So Eicher Motor also slightly moving, and Carl said some stocks it's triggering. So intraday is always we need to plan for a quick and fast exits. Eicher Motor almost 141, but it was not a liquid. That is still moving. Very good morning, sir. Dinesh, very good morning. Can you please let me know my voice is clear? This one 740, 750, ONGC 3850. That is having some move. Currently, thank you so much. Thanks for your update. Maruti 272, that is also moving good. 10600. 272, large size is 100, volume is 40,000. So some good volume which is happening here. But overall market is around 115 points down. So due to that down, so we are looking for positive move. Okay, maybe market is started with negative. There is a chances for recovery also be possible. The ONGC, that was a good one. Looking at this movement, 192 should be the topper. And we have to wait for this and whether it is going to trigger. And if it is having any opportunity, then we can go for. And look for a monthly opportunity. You need to focus only the stock which triggers your entry point monthly wise. Weekly also be the same. Monthly and weekly both should be the same. And we need to track both the things because the starting monthly and weekly at both at the same time. So this is an intraday. So at least we need to wait for a 9:30, and after that we can find out a lot of opportunities. And only quality and liquid stock. So we don't plan for all the stock which is trading here, and we are not planning it. And even this one is moving very good. And Eicher Motor and Maruti also started moving. So on the top list of stocks, you can focus any opportunity which you find out, then you can go for that stock also. Okay. And as per our monthly position, so Marico in Eicher Motor, both it is triggers before 9:30. So we should avoid and we should wait for it. And once it is triggered that level, what we are expecting, about 200%. That is what our breakout entry. Look at a Maruti, ONGC, Ara Pharma, which is in the top list. Maybe opportunity can be triggered at any point of the time. We always focus new opportunities only. Okay, fresh breakout that we can fix. Almost 97 point spot nifty down in the bank nifty 277 points in futures and almost moving lower. And that points down by the opening. So maybe we have to wait what is going to be happen. Any new opportunity? I think MGL also triggering right now. But overall market is down in the call side, some two stocks triggered and put side. And look at the Eicher Motor, it's slightly moving lower. So after 9:30, if it is once again break the level of our breakout point, we can go for this and as a retracement or like that re-entry like that, which we can go for. As of now, Eicher Motor at our same price. ONGC is the another one. Ara Pharma. I think yesterday it was moving gap up, and after that it moves lower. Sorry, this is what a newer opportunity. So last yesterday Friday we have Ara Pharma as a good move stock, good move of it. And this one is moving lower ONGC. And this I'm just seen on, and this one you can see there is a good move. And ONGC Maruti and HDFC Bank also be there. It is an intraday opportunity which triggers earlier to that entry point. So we have to wait. Okay. Here in Marico and MGL Asian Paint in a call side. Now IGL Hindustan Unilever, something like that, it is moving on. So simply we are planning and following the opportunity by using our entry point, by using our Google Sheet. If you have any questions and doubt also, you can just ping me here in the chat box. So we will discuss about your questions. I think this one, ONGC, which you have seen in the morning, by the opening itself, it is moving lower. And in this case, we are going to follow some opportunities. It was looking like it's a huge down. So Marico, Asian Paint, and MGL are the top. And it's the call side. But overall market is moving down towards the downside. So we don't get any opportunities as of now for a call and put side. Okay. So any other opportunity which you find out, then we can go. Okay, so Asian Motor again, it's showing you the some positiveness input side. In Marico MGL, Asian Paint, and it was also trading. So only quality and liquid stock if it triggers on monthly position, then we can go for it. And ONGC also monthly it's about 8.9, but today opening itself, it started with 9.15, and maybe we have to wait to get price to break after 9.15. So maybe ONGC also, which we can track. So no opportunity at this moment as per our thing. So now the time is 9:20. So after 9:30, so we can plan for our breakout opportunity. If any stock which we got it, then we can go for a fresh breakout opportunity also. And at this moment, so ONGC, Maruti, Ara Pharma are those stock which is nearing to our monthly positional van, and no other stock which we got it. And Asian Paint, MGL also be there in the top side, but not near. So we have to wait. And intraday, if you are looking for Asian Motor, ONGC, Maruti still, and Maruti from 270 now to 94, that moves well. And Ara Pharma, I think it's triggered now on the put side. And HDFC Bank still on the same price. I think it is not traded or not active. Atelier Corporation, Motherson Sumi, lot of stock, which is on the top places. I think Marico and MGL, Hindustan Unilever also slightly moving higher, but this is what an intraday opportunity. The top stock which you can plan for in the top list, and if you get any new opportunity, then you can go for. Okay. So here, like Indigo, HCL, and Copper, so are nearing to the trigger. Polycab, Sun Pharma, Tata Consumer Product, and near. Or these are all the stocks already triggered. If you plan for a trade from this top list, and you can plan any trades from the top list of stocks. Okay, so maybe in the Eicher motor, you can plan for a quick scalping kind of. Okay, so not to tell you to focus very fast. Can we buy 1 rupees mothers more than the entry price if you're going for a monthly or weekly? You can go for, but if you're percentage wise, because you are planning an options, right? So lot size you need to consider. Okay, and that would be very impact lot size. Okay, if you are going for a 5,000 lot size, if you are going to take 1 rupee more, it's not worthy. Okay, so you need to plan for the lot size, whether which lot, how much lot quantity. So that is very important. So for example, 5,000 lot size, 1 rupee is big. 300 or 500 lot size is less. Okay, so while before taking a trade, you should understand or you should remember that lot size is very important. 1 rupee is not a deal. Maybe percentage wise, overall your capital, if it is not more than 5%, like that you can buy. Okay, so that is very important, sir. So don't want to go for. Okay. So that was a great move. So you need to plan, sir. So lot size is important. Hmm. Okay. So I think that one 9.15 is broken. In monthly positional, this one ONGC is triggered. That is moving. Now it is 9.15. The high level is around something nearing to that breakout. The breakout level is around 8.9, but already initially it was started with 9.15 open high. So now the high is broken. So it is happening up to 9.30. But better the chances we can wait for 8.9 to back to that level. So until unless we don't want to take that trade quickly. And Maruti also slightly moving, and breakout point is around 379. Okay. So unfortunately, this one is exactly at our same level. ONGC. Exactly near about 8.9. Now it is 8.95. So maybe we can plan for monthly position. I'm not talking about weekly. I'm talking about monthly. So weekly position also the same scenario, but I'm just wanted to check this for a monthly position around 8.9. Currently it is 8.95. The price is 8 rupees 95 paisa. That's not an issue. So we can wait for a newer opportunity. So some of the opportunity which you are planning here is about Maruti also be there, and RF Pharma that is 46, now it is 37, and Siemens 144, now it is 106, and MCX which is trading near about 144. Our sorry 144 is the breakout. The entry point which is currently trading is 106. The LTP. We can plan for an option. I think RF Pharma is moving lower. Yesterday is a Friday is a gap up stock, and currently it is moving RF Pharma, not Lara's Lab. RF Pharma. I think it's moving down. Yeah, it's about abundant candle or a spinning top candle. The low of the spinning top is broken around 900 level, and the fair value gap it is going to be filled. So maybe it will came to the level 882. Then the fair value gap will be filled. I think it is moving lower. Arrow Pharma. So 900. Yesterday's closed around 910. So based on our candles, so one more opportunity in Arrow Pharma. I think the strike price. I think ONGC, which given you the opportunity, 8.90 was still. And that one is recovering from the lower level. The strike price on intraday Arrow Pharma is around 910. Currently 38. So already moved Arrow Pharma put option 910 and 37, 38. There is a 1 rupee gap. 1 rupee gap between the buyers and sellers. Okay, so should we wait? And I made it around 38.5. But this trigger which is happening before 9:30. Okay, so we always focus for the stocks to break after 9:30. That would be even better one. Oh, Maruti is still moving 326. While I'm seeing this around 270, now it is 326. That's a good move on Maruti. And Eicher Motor also nearing to the top. And as per our monthly position, Eicher Motor 3450 put option. Eicher Motor 3450 put option. Because this it's a gap up in the first 5 minutes it triggers our before first 15 minutes triggers our entry point. After that it moves lower. Now it is on our entry. So maybe this is one 166.2. That's a retracement or re-entry opportunity. So 166. If it has came to that level, we can plan for a trade. So if it has came to the level again, we can plan for. Let me and a monthly position. So we need to at least carry that on maximum of 30 days. That is the monthly positional trading. Federal Bank also be there in the list. Initially, we seen Federal Bank and intraday scanner is around 6 rupees. Now it has increased. I think Federal Bank is slightly moving higher. MGL Maricote is still on the top. Siemens, I think it is moving good. So 3650 Siemens. I think it's a gap up. It's a 5 minute start. So third 5 minutes, it's not active. So volume is maybe less. Federal Bank also active. So our positional basis Marico MGL. Federal Bank is nearing, but the entry point is around 10 rupees plus. As of now, it is trading 7, and Hindustan Unilever is around 94, currently trading 60. And ONGC, which is trading lower than our entry point. That's good. RF Pharma still moving higher, 910 put option. That's good. RF Pharma 3940. But yesterday is about a positive move, but the entirely the trend change on RF Pharma. It is RF Pharma 910. Yeah, after the huge drop, now it started 5 minutes. It's a call option, right? So based on our camera, okay, that was started below to the level, and call side, put side. That one is positive. Yeah, it's just still moving higher. That's good. Any doubts and questions also, you can just ping me here in the chat box. It's a monthly position. Federal Bank is still moving good. Something good on Federal Bank. So I think 50% increase. Lot size is around 5,000 something. So maybe 2.5 rupees. Sorry, 2,500 plus. But if you want to plan a positional, so you can look for a weekly and monthly. If you want an intraday, so you can look for those stocks which is performing in the top Eicher Motor, ONGC, Siemens, Maruti in the top list. If from this top list, you can just pick one or two. So that may be working better for your positional trade. As per our positional in arrow format, either in monthly or weekly. So monthly is 910, 46.6. As of now, it is trading 40. So we need to wait for it should be cross above 46 because the third stock, orange is the top one, and put side is initially triggered. Now overall Nifty is trading near about 150 points down from previous close. That means last trading close. Almost 150 gone from Nifty. Now that ONGC slightly moving towards the top, but not active, not traded, but right now it has started moving. Okay, that's right. If you have any questions, just ping me here. Yes. 159. Now lower than our entry point. That is also be a good opportunity. In this one, ONGC which you are looking for, so 8.85, 8.9 is the current price. Current price, so 184, the spot price. More opportunity. So if you after that, if you find any breakout, that would be a great one. So which you can plan for on weekly and monthly position. Okay, so no such a big move. 134 points down. Now it looks like a hammer candle at the bottom. 5 minutes. 15 minutes is trading below a support on Camarilla level. We will remove the marks. NFT is trading below a support, maybe back above 541. So which we can focus for a positive move. Sorry. 517. Yeah. It's a spot price. Future price which is trading 579. Petrol bank such a good move. Call side. The Banknifty is my negative, but petrol bank is going positive side. It's looking good. In 15 minutes time frame, second 15 minutes, that was a huge move. And still it is moving higher. That strike price which you are looking for a petrol bank is about to 100 and call side 147. 147. Currently it is trading 7.75. The large size of the stock is 5%. That was trading near about 7.7. Second 15 minutes candle, it started. I think petrol bank such a good move on daily time frame. Is there any opportunity? So no, as of now it is trading in the top. And I'm holding 2051 in the morning. If you have any questions and doubts, you just ping me here in the chat box. I think how many of them are watching this live session? That's good. What is 6 and above? And ISO motor, ONGC in the top side for about Marico, MGL, Federal Bank, and Hindustan Unilever are the top one in the call side, but put side is the majority. Maruti 318, Siemens 117, Asia Motor slightly lower, ONGC is around 8.85. This 8.85 is our breakout point and monthly position. It is slightly recover from the low and it forming a hammer candle, which I seen in Nifty-ish. I think 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, maybe if it is closed above the level, so then we can plan for it. Until we should wait whether if you find any recovery or reversal pattern at the lowest level, we don't confirm any trend change. It is trading below the support again started down 137 points, down from previous close. And this is an intraday. Daily, you have a lot of opportunities. One or two trades which you are able to find out what the intraday sheet. That's good enough. And top stocks which you can focus, or you can plan for a fresh breakouts. For example, if you want to plan a fresh breakouts, if you have a lot of stock like LNT 72.84, Sun TV 20.8. So these are all the stocks which are going to give you a newer opportunity. Okay, so you need to select that stock is having a good liquidity and the volume. Then you can select for a intraday breakout also. But a better, you can see the stock which is performing in the top side. That may be a good opportunity for intraday. Something like a MR of 1,07,500 call option intraday. I think it is not a good liquid, but you can check this. Like for a call call, that's also nearing. Look at this side, I have a Sun TV, Demat and Trading on put sides. And call sides like Coal, Paul, Ind Copper, VSOP, Adani Port. So from this list, you need to select this. Those stocks are good and quality. Kuchitiya? Think IPCA lab, Ind Copper and call side, call Paul call side. So this may be a fresh breakout. So we always focusing the trade, fresh trades that always better. But monthly positional, whatever the signal which is going to be triggered, that should be the fresh one. Again, MGL and Marico in the call side today. Input side is a Eicher motor which triggers and now it is trading lower, and ONGC also be triggered today. But Ara Pharma is so far away because 46.6 currently it is trading around nearby 39.40. Maybe the chances for trigger. Maruti also be in the list. It's about a monthly positionals which we are going to wait for. Any other questions and doubt also, you just ping me on my chat box. We'll be getting doubts cleared. VEDL. I think VEDL, it was a gap down scene. That was a VEDL, which is in the list, and after that it moving lower. Yeah, it is a gap up and it was started negative and it is very flat right now. So we don't have any opportunity. So I think intraday I seen VEDL in the top. Okay. So but right now it is not there in the top. In monthly positional, VEDL will be there here at this point. But it doesn't give you the breakout point. Should how to Srinidhi, sir, how to go for top stocks? So top stocks is nothing about which is trading in the top list. So these are all the top stocks. From those stocks, if you find out any entry opportunity, you can go for. Maybe you are using some indicators analysis, or you have some methods to trade. So what I'm telling you, top stocks means these are all the performing stock which is trading near to the top, and you can plan a newer opportunity from this list. Or else, first breakout you should go and check in the down below 100 percentage. That should be a fresh breakout trade. Okay. So fresh breakout trade we can check from below 100. And top stock, these are all the stocks already performing. So ONGC, Eicher Motor, Siemens, Aero Pharma, Aero Pharma now 41.5 and now it is 40.2. So that is also fluctuating from its price up and down, something which is shown here. But that's not an issue. So what we are looking for, so we have to find a trade opportunity. So either in the top list of stock. So that we have to plan in the top list of stocks. Should we entry is about entry percentage, which is not exactly meet because it is already moved or greater than our entry point in this uh, top stocks. But we can try for a retracement or re-entry opportunity that can be possible from the stocks. That only I'm just talking about. So something like Eicher Mota 146 lower. So the reason why we are not planning a trade before 9:30 this one. So maybe the stock which go open by gap up or gap down due to some news and also 3 days gap, three consecutive holidays. That is also some news can be spread or some news can be happened. So that can be directly reflected on the stock by the opening itself. Okay. That is the reason we are not planning a trade before 9:30. So after 9:30, if you find any breakout or retracement or re-entry, then we can plan. I hope you understood what we are discussing. And that will help you to find a fresh breakout trade. So because we are not it is not a compulsory to take a trade. So we need to find a right opportunity to take a trade. So that is very important. Is there any other questions and doubt also? You can just ping me here in the chat box. Really, Marico is the top one. Then MGL, Federal Bank, we've seen around 7.5. Now slightly increasing 7.9. 50 paisa increased again, Federal Bank. But overall, it is moving against to that, right? That is slightly not good. After a long back, India Cements, can you see India Cements? It was a highly volatile stock, but right now it is not a volatile one. So 2 or 3 months back, it is a huge move. 232.5 call option in India Cement. So India Cement is the top most performing stocks currently 12.65 is of breakout and out is trading 14. And whether it is liquid or not, that we need to check. India Cements 250, sorry, 232.5. So 11.232.5. Yeah, you can see there is no liquidity. 11.7 is the buyer, 12.1 is the seller, and but the last trade price is 14.1. What's happening on India Cements? Let me go for. Uh-huh. So it was moving fast and now it has returned back. That may be the reason. Yeah. So two consecutive higher candle now suddenly reversed back. Now it is trying to pull back. India Cements. What's happening? India Cements 232.5 call option. And Mitchell and the last trade price is 14. It was maybe broken that R4 and immediately back to the R3 that may be the stop. So let me go for India C 232.5 call option. And maybe it's in the top and 11.7 is the lower level. 12.1 is the 2900 quantity. There is. But the future is not right. Spot price. Maybe slight recovery that can be possible. ISL should be we need to check and very few 14,500. I think 3 or 4 lots. Maybe due to that strike price. In this one, it went to 13 now. It is okay. So that's also be in the top. But it's not a liquid one. So better you need to understand the liquidity issue. So if the stock doesn't have a liquidity, so we can't able to buy at our desired price and also we can't able to sell at our desired price. That is what the main thing. And even some of the stock which is not liquid, and that is also the uh, we can see Araparma, which is trading 40.2 is the last trade price. Buyer is 38 and seller is 38.70. That is the issue. So liquidity is very, very important if you are following for a stock option trade. So only trade in a liquid options. And if the stock doesn't have a liquidity, simply ignore those stocks. Don't want to plan for it. That's why the stock suddenly came into the top. Okay. And also plan for a trade with a positional basis because it is an option. We need a good movement in the stocks, then the option price and premium will be increased very big. Or else it will be taking a time decay, so we can lose our premium as a time value decay. If we are trading in options, we need a more patience, at least to making a profit. You don't get as of now. So maybe if you are tracking the Google sheet, so you will be finding a newer opportunity after our live session ends also. But we are just doing for a doubt clearing and questions and doubt end up finding a real opportunity in a live session. We are using the Google sheet to find an intraday and positional opportunity. And this live session is mainly for doubts and questions for my student. And if you have any questions and doubt also, you can ask here. And if you want to join more about my paid classes and the link where I have already shared my Android app and also my course name, so there you can access my course, the recorded course content. And if you have any further doubts and questions also, you can just contact me. The WhatsApp number is shown on this video. Still Nifty 150 points and 163 points down in future. Maybe we have to find any reversal opportunity until unless we don't want to go for a call set. It is actually opening down and it is continues the downside. What's going to happen? Nifty from 20,000 plus, now it is 19,500 nearby and it is breaking the day low to 19,540. It's about a day low in future. I hope you all enjoyed this session, and I think you are not getting any doubt and questions here. And thank you so much. Thanks for being this live session with me. And if you wanted to know more about our paid sessions in the classes, also you can just ping me here in the WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this today's live session. Thank you so much. Thanks to you all those who are joining on this session. And if you have any further questions and doubt, just ping me comment in the comment box of this video. And thanks to all those who are joined on this session. And we'll meet you tomorrow live session. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me and thank you for watching this videos. I'm going to wind up now. Thank you.